Today, we're going to be looking at two problems involving unit rates. The first problem we can see below. Sharon drove 270 miles in 4.5 or 4 and 5/10 hours. If she drove at a constant rate, how fast was Sharon going? Well, Sharon was driving 270 miles, and she did this in 4.5 hours. She drove at a constant rate. How fast was Sharon driving? Well, I have to remind myself that when we're driving, we calculate speed as miles per hour. So I'm going to set up my problem the same way. She covered 270 miles in 4 and 5/10 hours. So this tells me that I need to divide. I'm going to divide my numerator by my denominator. 270 divided by 4 and 5/10. Well, since I have a decimal in my divisor, I'm going to have to get rid of it by making this number into a whole number. I move my decimal point over one place. I'm going to do the same thing with my decimal and my dividend, move it over one place, and it jumps up to the top. Now, how many times does 45 go into 270? Well, I do know that 45 is close to 50, and 270 is close to 250. So if I estimate in my brain, I know 50 goes into 250 5 times. So I'm going to multiply 45 times 5. 45 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Now, I think I might be able to add 45 in here again, so I'm going to give it a try. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. My 2 comes down. 270, that's exactly right. So 5 times, 6 times. It went in 6 times. But 6 times 45 is 270, leaving me with 0. I still have this 0 over here in my dividend, so I have to bring it down. 45 goes into 0 times. So my answer ends up being 60. Sharon was traveling at 60 miles per hour.